Hello, hello. So, first of all, good afternoon, everyone. It is currently July 14 of the in the Philippines, 4 p.m. Now, I just wanted to recap this trade na I feel na this is a good trade. Ngayon dito no. As we can see, I am in a weekly weekly bias. Maganda yung trade ko na to. Just yep, confirm that. And well, with the open of this week, I saw this candle which is the Monday candle na nag-go pababa. So it uh it expanded to the downside that closes below the range of the previous day one candle. Ngayon, I traded that and executed that short, and then I am unsuccessful. Now, napansin ko dito, I thought that this would be a banger. Kaso ngayon, nakita ko nga pala yung weekly is expanded. Nag-ano siya. The weekly made a week 1 green candle that closes above the range. So it is a bullish scenario. Ngayon, nakita ko, uy, etong Tuesday candle na to is it hit the the point 5 of the previous week 1 candle. So ngayon, ang inisip ko, so it must be doing its week to the downside before expanding to the upside. And I'm right. Ngayon, I took the trade as early as the formation of the Wednesday candle into the bullish. And ayan, chinek ko. Traded, I took a trade. Thursday, nag-close above the range and it is good. This Tuesday candle is considered a formation of the candle 2, and then I traded the candle 3 continuation. Ngayon, Wednesday, expanded, green candle. Thursday, expanded, green candle then. And Friday, doon na nag-hit yung TP natin. And that's good. Ang galing, ang ganda lang ng execution ko. That is a good execution. Good, 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 good.